Hello and welcome to the Sudoku cheat sheet lesson 3. I've got a puzzle here that I'm going to have a look at. It's a very easy puzzle. I've chosen an easy one because it's early days yet. I want to show you a very special trick that I do to enhance the power of the basic plan A. So we're going to be using an enhanced version of plan A today, and from here on in the enhanced version is the only version of plan A that I'll be referring to. So we've got our puzzle here, we've got our trunks and our branches and our blocks here. I'll just quickly revise how you fill in the column and the row. Remember, you say the numbers 1 to 9, but whether you write it is another thing. So this column here still needs to be filled in. So I start by saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. This row over here, I start by saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's check to see if I've done it correctly. There should be spaces where these numbers are up the top. So we've got 2, 6, 7, 9. 2, 6, 7, 9. And on the row we've got 3, 5, 6, 9. 3, 5, 6, 9. So that's correct. Now I've left this bottom block 1 empty as well, just to remind you how we do that. So in the top block here we've got 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. We say it in chronological order: 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. And of course they've got their set cells that they have to go into. And just let me mention to you that when I put the numbers in the column and row here, I deliberately wrote them, if I remembered, a little bit to the left of the cell. You'll see why in a minute. I also like to make these numbers down here a bit bigger so that it stands out from the rest, makes it stand out a bit better. So let's have a go at this puzzle. Okay, first of all I'm looking for singles in trunk 1. I've got a single 4, top, middle, bottom. This 4 belongs in the bottom. There's 2 empty cells, there's 2 possible partners, so I can't place it. So watch what I do. That 4 belongs in the bottom, so I'm going to put a B next to the 4 to remind me that that's where it goes. Now what I've done is I've just positioned the number as opposed to place the number. If I place it, it's correct. If I position it, it gives me a general idea of where it's going to go. And this is what I mean by the enhanced version of plan A. Okay, single 5, top, bottom, middle. 5 belongs in the middle, and there's only one cell, so the 5 must go there. So we'll take out this partner over here, take out this 5 that we were looking at. We said 5 goes in the middle. Single 6, top, middle, bottom. 6 belongs in the bottom. There are 2 cells, but only one partner. So that 6 goes there. And these are the 2 partners. And that 6 is in the bottom. Single 7, top, middle, bottom. 7 has 2 possible cells and 2 possible partners. So I will label that 7 as 7B for bottom. No more singles. Got a single 3 in trunk 2. We've got a 3 in the bottom and the middle. We need a 3 in the top. There are 2 cells and there's only one partner. So that 3 goes there. Take out that 3 and put that 3 in there. Any more singles? There's a single 5, top, middle, bottom. 5 belongs in the bottom and there's only one possible cell, so it has to go there. There's the partner over there, and that's the 5 we're doing down the bottom here. Any more singles? Yes, there's a single 8. Let's stay in the middle section here. We've got a top, a middle, we need a bottom 8. 2 cells, but only one partner. I told you this was an easy one. the 8 down the bottom here. Let's go to trunk 3. Looking for singles, we've got a single 6, got a 6 in the bottom and the middle, we need one in the top. There are 2 cells in the top, but only one possible partner for that 6. Okay, that's on the right hand side at the top. Single 9, bottom, middle, top. 9 has got 3 possible cells that it can go into and 2 possible partners. So we said that 9 goes to the top, so we will position it according to Enhanced Plan A. Done the singles in the 3 trunks, let's do the singles in the 3 branches. Starting with branch 1, we have a 1, which belongs not in the left or the middle, but in the right. 2 possible places, but only one possible partner. So that's the one at the top here. We now have a single 3 left over from before. Right, middle, left, 3 going left, only has one possible cell. So those would be the 2 3s, that one and that one. Oh, and look, we've just changed that triple 3 into a double, which is much less scary. We've got a single 5, left, middle, right, 2 possible cells and only one partner. Take out the 5, take out that 5. Now that's the 5 at the top here, top right. We've got a single 6, right, left, middle. 6 goes middle, 2 possible cells, 2 possible partners. So that 6 we know now goes to the middle, but we don't know where just yet. Branch 2, single 6, left, right, middle. Single 6 to the middle, there's only one cell available there in the middle. So that's the 6. That's that 6. We've now got a single 6 here. We're in the middle here. So that's that 6 there. Single 7, left, middle, and we need one in the right. This 7 has 2 possible cells and 2 possible partners. We said right, so let's label it right. So that 7 goes in the right block. Single 9, left, right, middle. 9 to the middle, 2 possible cells and only one possible partner, that one there. So that's that 9, and that's the 9 there, and we're still in the middle block. Now we're going to branch 3, looking for singles. We have a single 5 running along the bottom 3 blocks here, left, middle, right. 5 goes right, 2 possible cells, but only one possible partner. Take out the 2 5s. Now we're in the bottom right hand block here. Any more singles? Yep, there's a single 9 still here. Right, middle, left. This 9 must go left. There's 2 empty cells, but only one possible partner. We can't use that one. That 9 will go there. Take out the 9 over here. Take out the 9 here. And this is the 9 at the bottom left-hand corner block. Block 7. All right, we've done the singles. Now let's have a look at the doubles. So go back to trunk 1. We've got a double 1, which goes in the middle and bottom. All right, well this one won't go in the middle, so it must go in the bottom. And it only has one possible partner. So we found a home for that one straight away. So that's that one there. Down the bottom. Now we know that this 1 goes to the middle, and there's only one place it can go. And we've just changed that triple 1 into a double 1. So that's the 2 1s gone. Leave the triple 2 for the moment. Let's try the double 3. There's 1 in the top, so the double 3's got to go middle bottom. Okay, so this one can't go middle because it's full. Must go bottom and only has 1 partner. So that's that 3. That's that 3. Let's record it down here. So the remaining 3 here goes to the middle, and we have 2 possible places that it can go. So we will label it as M for middle and come back to it later. 7 to the bottom, yes, we can find a home for that now. So that's taking out that 7 and that 7 at the bottom, which records down there. Double 8. Double 8 must go top and middle. So double 8, well, we'll just do middle. Double 8 won't go middle. So this 8 must go to the top, and there's only one place it can go. So that's that 8 over there. That's that 8 there, and that's the 8 at the top. This one, top block. Now we said that this 8 goes to the middle, and we've got 2 possible partners over here. So we can't place it, but we will label it M. So we now know that the 3 and the 8 both go middle. We've got a couple of 8s and a couple of 3s over here, so I have to come back to it. We've got a single 9, which goes to the top, and we can place it. So that's the 9 there, and that's the 9 down there. That's the 9 at the top. Now have a look at this. Look at this block. It only needs 1 more number to complete the block. Block 1 up here. It needs 2. So without even looking, I'm just going to put the 2 in and hope that there's 2 partners that I can find. Well, there's a 2 there, and there's a 2 there. Oh, we've just taken out the triple 2. Let's record the fact that we've found the 2. Now when I fill in a complete block down here, I like to put a diagonal line through the block just to make it obvious that I've done it. So I'm going to do that in colour, make it stand out a little bit more. So before we move on, let's just double check that we can't find anything else here. We've got the double 2 still at the middle and bottom. Double 2 can't go at the middle, so double 2, one of the 2's is going to have to go to the bottom. But look at this, there's only 1 number left in this column anyway, so I should have noticed that. They sneak up on you. So that's that 2, and that's that 2 going in the bottom. And look, this block now also needs a number 4. So without even looking, I'm going to put a 4 in and have a look for the partners. And we'll just change that triple 4 to a double 4. Oh, here's the 4 at the bottom. So that's that one. So we filled in that block. That's the second block. Second block to go. Put the diagonal line through. I'm going to stay in this branch, this trunk, sorry, just a little bit longer. We've got a 2, 3 and an 8, which all go to the middle. So let's give him an M. 2, 3 and 8. All right, so 2, 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3. Can't quite work with them just yet. Let's go to the middle trunk, trunk 2. Double 1, middle bottom. Double 1 can't go to the middle. So this one goes to the bottom, so that's that one there. Take out these 2 partners, and that's the one at the bottom down here. So this one must go to the middle, and there's only 1 cell. That's those 2, and we're in the middle block again here. And again, we only need 1 more number in this block, which is a 2. So put the 2 in the missing block, missing cell there, and that triple 2 is now a double 2. Take out that 2, put in our final 2 there, put in our diagonal to show that we have completed that block. Let's stay in trunk 2 for a second. We've got a single 2 which has got to go to the top. Yep, we can do that one. Single 2 at the top. We've got a double 4. Well, let's have a look. Double 4 goes top and bottom. Double 4, this 4 won't go to the top, so this 4 goes to the bottom, and there's 2 possible partners, so let's give that a B for bottom. Now we said top and bottom, so this 4 goes to the top, and it only has 1 possible partner over there, so we can take that one out. So that's that 4 at the top here. 4 to the bottom we've still got. We've got a single 6, bottom, middle, top. Can we place it at the top? Yes, we can. Oh, there's that 6 for the middle, so that can now go. 6 at the top, and this block needs a 7. Put the 7 in, find the 2 partners that join up to give us that. That block is full. So we will put our diagonal line through that block. Alright, let's just check the 4 and the 7 here. It looks like they both go to the bottom. Alright, so 4 and 7. 4, no 7. Okay, so that'll have to be the 4. So that's the 4 at the bottom. And we need a 7, so that's the other 7 there. 7, 7, and 7, and guess what? We filled in this whole trunk. Trunk 2 is now full. All right, let's go to trunk 3. Single 1 in the middle. Single 1 in the middle, yes. Single 1 in the middle. There. Double 2, middle bottom. Double 2 middle. Double 2 middle. Oop, can't go there. Have to go. Oop, only got 1 place to go in the middle. So that 2's gone to the middle. The other 2 will go to the bottom. Yes, it will. That's the 2 in the bottom. Double 3 goes middle bottom. Double 3 to the middle can only go there. That's the only partner. So that's the 3 in the middle over here. And the other 3 goes to the bottom. And yes, it can go to the bottom. And in fact, there you go, it snuck up on me. There was only 1 number left there in that row anyway. I've got to watch out for them. So that was a 3 at the bottom. This block needs a 4. So put in the 4. Find a couple of partners. There they are. Put the 4 in. Diagonal. Through there. How are we going in this trunk? We've got a single 4 still going to the top. Yep. There it is. 4 at the top. So this block needs a 7, 8, 9. Must be 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. There it is. So these 3 go to the top. So 7, 8, and 9 all goes to the top. Okay, so we've just positioned them. So if we've got 2 7s here, and 1 goes to the top and 1 goes to the middle, then this one must be the middle. And there it is, partnering up with that 7 that goes in the right. So that's in the middle block there. Oh, and this block needs an 8. There's our 8 over there. There's our 8. And there's our 8 there. We have filled in another block. staying in this trunk. Now we've got our 7, 8, 9. So let's see how we go. Only a 9 there. All right, so there's our 9. That's the 9 gone. That's at the top. Let's try the 7 and the 8. So 7, there's only 1 7 left in that whole row. I think we've now found our 8, haven't we? There's our 8. Here's our 8 at the top. We filled in another block. So we'll diagonal line that. So we've done all of trunk 2 and 3. We've just got this one still over here. Remember that we had a 2, 3 and an 8. Okay, there's your 2, there's your 8, and there's your 3. So that can be easily filled in. So we've completed this puzzle, and we've used, just for a little bit, we've used the enhanced version of Plan A. Remember to put your top, middle, bottom, left, middle, right, and you'll find when we get into some harder puzzles that this will be very, very useful. Thank you for watching.